What's up everybody, welcome to the Data Studios. Today I will show you how you will get copy link of YouTube contents. So don't be late, go to your home screen and you have to find out the YouTube app in your device and tap on it. After that you have to select the content for which you want to get the copy link. Right now I'm currently selecting a pitch of content of my device. Then you have to click on a button named share. So click it. After clicking, you will see an option first which called copy link. Now you have to click it to get the link of content. Here you can see now it's copied. Now you can paste the link wherever you want. Here you can see guys, this is the link I copied a while back. So that's it for today. In that way you will get the copy link of any content in YouTube app. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to watch like this more videos, then must be subscribed to get update from our channel and show us your love by sharing our videos. See you guys on next video. Stay tuned with us. Tata.